Assalamu alaikum 6th class. Today we are going to discuss about lecture number 4 of chapter number 2 sense organs. Today's your diary is solve exercise on your textbook plus learn vocabulary words and write them. Now move to the page number 23 of your reading book. Here the exercise of this chapter is given. Your first question is write proper term word against each statement. आपने हर statement के against इस fill up में ये proper words लिखने हैं. आप अपने इंक पेन से ये words अपने reading book पर लिखेंगे. ठीक है? It can feel the pressure. Skin. Which part of our body can feel the pressure? Skin can feel the pressure. The hole in the middle of the iris is known as pupil. Iris के दरमियान में जो hole होता है that is known as pupil. Air enters the nose through it. Through which part air enters in our nose? That are the nostrils. Carries signals from ear to brain. कौन सी nerve carry करती है signals? Auditory nerve. Present on our tongue. Which is present on our tongue? Taste buds are present on our tongue. Now move to the next question. Question number 2. Circle the letter of the best answer. आपने जो choose the best answer यहाँ से best answer choose करना है और उसका जो letter है उसको circle करना है. ठीक है? The control room of our body is our means our body control room. The part of our body, the organ of our body that controls the whole body actions is known as control room of our body. Which one is the control room of our body? A. Heart. B. Stomach. C. Brain. D. Liver. The correct option is C. Brain. Number 2 is the most sensitive part of our eye is. Which is the most sensitive part of our eye? A. Retina. B. Cornea. C. Pupil. D. Lens. A option is correct. That is retina. A dumb by birth cannot speak. He or she also has no sense of touch, sense of taste. C option is sense of hearing and D option is sense of sight. The correct option is C, sense of hearing. Number 4 is the olfactory nerve links. Olfactory nerve कौन से दो body organs को आपस में मिलाती है? A option is eye and brain, B nose and brain, C ear and brain, D tongue and brain. The correct option is B nose and brain. Which senses of our body are closely related? A. Touch and smell. B. Smell and taste. C. Taste and hearing. D. Seeing and touch. The correct option is B. Smell and taste. Smell और taste की जो हमारी body की senses हैं ये आपस में relate करती हैं. Which sense organ also functions as a sense organ for temperature? A. Nose. B option is tongue. C. Ear. D. Eye. The correct option is B. Tongue. आपने इसी तरह ये अपनी जो रीडिंग बुक है उसके ऊपर पेन से जो इंक पेन है उससे आपने इसको सारे को सर्कल कर लेना है. Now open your notes, go to the chapter number 2. Here the vocabulary words of this chapter are given. These are sense organs, brain, sight, eyeball, cornea, pupil, lens, iris, cornea, retina, contract, expand, ear canal, middle ear, hammer, anvil, stirrup, cochlea, eardrum, optic nerve, auditory nerve, touch, pigment, sweat glands, nostrils, olfactory nerve, tongue, taste buds, sweet, bitter, sour, and pleasant. Here the empty columns are also given. You have to learn all these terms and then write these terms in these columns properly. Thank you so much.